Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Brawl Stars login failed error. So first, check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data or connect to a different reliable network. Next, close Brawl Stars completely and then reopen the game again. If that doesn't work, then try restarting your phone as well. Now check your app store and make sure Brawl Stars is updated. And you need to also make sure you're signing in with the correct account, especially if you're using Supercell ID. And if you receive a Supercell ID verification code, then check that you're entering the latest code correctly. And avoid repeatedly requesting new codes if the previous one is still processing. You should also check whether Supercell services are experiencing an outage. And if the problem is happening only on your device, then check that your phone has enough storage and that the game's permission and network access are currently working. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.